This is the practice, oh no, sorry, this is the Unit 13 review, number 24. It says find the sine of A, cosine of A, and tangent of A, and they give us a triangle. And we're looking at A, C, and B, 5, 3, and 4. So this is the angle we're talking about. So the sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine, sorry, this should be angle A. Cosine is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. And the tangent is opposite over adjacent. Okay. 25. It says find cosine of angle R. And what they did was they gave us a right triangle, and it looks like one side is missing. Here's angle R. There's our right angle. So it's 1 and 3. So I need to find the adjacent side. So I could say 1 squared. Now this one is C technically, right? 1 squared plus B squared equals 3 squared. And that gives us 1 plus B squared equals 9. B squared equals 8, and B equals 2 root 2. I'm going to take the square root of that on both sides. So this side is 2 root 2. So to find the cosine would be adjacent over hypotenuse, which is that right there. 26. Says find the sine of A. The sine of A is 3/8. Find the cosine and tangent of A. Well, they're not giving you a triangle, so you have to create one here. So let's call this side angle A. So the sine is opposite over hypotenuse, right? So that I just need to figure this side out over here. And basically I would say 3 squared plus B squared equals 8 squared equals 9 plus B squared equals 64. Subtract 9 to both sides. And we're looking at B squared equals 55. The square root of both sides, and B equals the square root of 55. Okay. So now I have this unknown side, and we could basically say the cosine is root 55 all over 8, and the tangent is, we have to simplify this, root 55 over root 55. That's 8 root 55 all over 55, and the tangent would be 3 over root 55, and that equals 3 root 55 all over 55.